Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create personalized journaling template. So here is a quick guide to creating it, and I will just use the website which is called Notion AI. So you will open Notion AI and you will just open the page where you want to create your journaling template. So I will just tap on it like this bottom template option, and right over here I will just in the search bar write journal link and just tap on it, and the Notion will search for it. So I will just use this free version of 365 quick journaling on 2025. So you will also preview it, and I will but you will also preview it first, and you will, after when you just preview is good, so you will just simply tap on it add button, and template is being added. You will have to wait for the moment. In the left side you will see, so template is ready, you will just use it. I will just tap on the left side 365 quick journaling. So here you will just create sections like date, mood, highlights and reflection. So I will just write it like date, and in this section I will just write it mood, and in this section I will just write it daily notes. So here you will see there is a calendar option, you will also customize it here. There is a time option, and if I just scroll down, so here is the you will see the summarization today in one sentence. So you will just tab it, and you will just simply remove it, and you will just add your own, your daily moment or your activity like right over here. So in this way you can just save as template. Once you are happy with it, you will just click the menu at the top right page and select save is as it is template. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.